Hi, I'm Jeff with Alta Outdoor Living. We are here in Salida. Just finished up a couple of screens. These are MagnaTrack solar screens, the best in the business. Here it goes. Here's what it looks like when we hit the button. Just have to tap it. You want to show the screen? Doesn't affect your views. Controls your temperature, and tap it to go up. And why don't you follow me outside so we can get the view from the outside in. Just tap the button down. Now, these folks wanted these screens so that that it would block the wind. They had to actually strap all of their chairs together to their table so that the chairs wouldn't be in the neighbor's yard. So I'm going to hit it one more time to show up, and then you'll see those straps on the table and chairs, and they are very happy with the results. We are here for the second time, and they are raving about their screens. So as you see, there's a blue bungee cord on the table and chairs. Again, they love their screens to knock down that wind.